In this video, we will be replacing the reverse light incandescent bulbs in this 2015 Honda Accord with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you will need a trim puller tool or a flathead screwdriver. We will start in the trunk where you can access the reverse light bulbs. The reverse light bulbs are located here in the trunk hood. There are two retainer clips holding in the liner, but you probably only need to remove the top one. We'll clamp the liner out of the way for easy access. Removing the reverse light socket is pretty easy. You need to turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Grab the bulb in one hand while holding the socket in your other hand and pull the bulb straight out. Now that we have it out, let's compare the old incandescent bulb to the new LED we're installing. You can see that the LED is much different than the incandescent, but we've checked this application before choosing the bulb, so we know there's enough space for it to fit. And if you notice, the parts of the bulb past the base are about the same length. Also, the base is an exact match, making it plug and play easy. This bulb is also CAN-BIS compatible, meaning you won't need a resistor to avoid any error codes. Installing the LED bulb is simple. Push the bulb into the housing. The rubber ring will hold it in place. Plug the connector into the socket. We'll test it before putting it all back together. This new LED bulb is much brighter than the OEM incandescent bulb. So we'll go ahead and replace the liner and begin the install on the passenger side. On the passenger side, we'll follow the same steps as the driver's side. We'll first remove the retaining clip and move the liner out of the way. Unlock the socket by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the socket and pull the bulb straight out. Push the LED into the housing and plug the connector into the socket. Now test both sides, and then you can replace the trunk liner like you had done on the driver's side. And that's it! The installation is complete. Let's take a look at what these new LED bulbs look like. You can see how much brighter they are than the stock OEM incandescent bulbs, and look at how much light these throw out when we park it next to the wall. And if you have a backup camera, these bulbs are a must-have. These new bulbs are truly
safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.